Right, rear spring, A6 C6, this is 2008. Coil spring is snapped. I've done the other side already, so I know this way it works. Axle stands are in place. There's a wheel over there as well, just in case. Jack is on this side already. Now what we're gonna do, remove the bolt that holds the shock in. It's a 21mm either side, nut, bolt, 21mm. Loosen that off, tap it back. That will then loosen the shock off. Once you've done that, you then need to remove the trim that sits under here. The plastic one should be a 10mm and a T25. And then there's two M10 Torx bits you need, M10 Torx bits, M10 multi-spines you need to undo. And then we need an 18mm to undo this side of the subframe and the one that sits underneath in here, basically. Right, under trays removed, undo these two M10s and then loosen this one off here, which is the front of the subframe. Right, old spring still in. That is now removed all the way out. Really tight. And that one there's not so tight. I think from memory 700 Newton meters or something around that bit, but luckily I managed to break it off of a bar that I've got, a really long bar, and I've got an impact gun as well, so I wasn't too bad getting them undone. Although the impact's now dead, so it's back on charge again. So yeah, that's where we're at the moment. I'm just going to jack the car up, obviously do it safely, make sure everything's in place, you know, chocks and everything in, and then hopefully the spring will just fall out. Right, spring's now out. I just pulled down on the disc here, and then it moves the whole subframe down and you'll be able to pull it out. Getting the new one in's a little more fiddly, but really hard to get a camera in it and do it at the same time. Right, so I've just bolted it all back together again. So shock's done up, subframe rear bolt's done up. They're done up in there, covers back on, 3 bolts in there, 2 M10s, 1 18mm, 18mm on the rear. They're very tight. Do make sure you torque them up after. I would also recommend getting new bolts. What else is there? Put the wheel on, see how it sits. New rear springs fitted, not selling its arse. Cheers for watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if got any questions, fire them away.